Hello everyone, today I want to show you silver and gold leather band, and then finisher. It's kinda coating to make glossy finish. Brush and palette. First of all, clean the leather area with this liquid deglasser. The purpose is to open the pores of leather and clean up the unused paint. Prepare plastic or glove. Shake this liquid and pour it on cotton. And then rub it in leather area of back. For small area, you can use cotton bud. After that, you can clean it with napkin to wipe off the remaining paint. Prepare gold and silver paint to create a color similar like the original paint. I make these two colors in ratio of 3:1 and then mix them well. Try on paper to see if the color is similar like the original color. Then brush the paint evenly. For the small area, I use small brush. Last step, take the coating paint, shake well, and brush in the area you painted earlier. Let them dry. And finally, your bag looks clean and new again. I hope this video is useful for you and see you on my next video. Bye!